Every leather journey begins long before the factory doors open.
Precision and regulation guide every step. The hide is separated, not rushed. Cleanliness begins immediately. Preservation locks time in place. Waiting prepares the leather for transformation. From ranch to refinery of craft. The tannery awaits. Raw material meets industrial rhythm. The first chemical awakening.
Science guides the craft.
The hide is ready for its next transformation. Movement begins while moisture still breathes.
Every kilogram is accounted for. Identity travels with the material.